Hello, my name is Anton Novikov. I'm working as financial analyst at Financial Market Consulting, and today I'm going to introduce you the investment portfolio for May 2016. The first company which is in the list is Yahoo company. We've already recommended you to buy the shares of Yahoo company due to the news of that the company would be bought by their Microsoft or AT&T or Google or Verizon. So we are quite close to their line when the deadline when the company would be sold partly or as whole thing. We'll see later on, but these news are definitely good because their selling process means that the company would get fresh money, new cash, which it can spend on developing itself. The fresh new ideas would be generated and shared by the new parent company in order to develop the Yahoo company. So all of this means good for Yahoo, and the prices of shares would definitely go up. And the current price at which the shares of Yahoo company is being traded currently is $37 per share, and the perspective level of growth of the shares of Yahoo company is $45–50 per share. So you may sell the shares of Yahoo at $45 per share. So it's quite good. Company is stable and the definite growth is quite clear. So the next company which we would like to recommend you is Apple company. We recommend this company to you due to the positive news, which we consider as a good reason to buy the shares of Apple company. And the first one is that we've already announced you that their company experienced the huge amount of Apple Watch sold during the first year of release, and this amount is equal to 11 millions of Apple Watch products during the first year of release. So it's quite a huge amount, isn't it? And the current price at which the shares of Apple company are being traded currently is $93 per share. So their respective level of growth of the shares of Apple company is 120 till 135. It would be good to sell it at $125 per share. So the next news, which is is definitely important for Apple, is that they're going to release the Apple Watch 2. As I said to you during the last video, which was related to Apple, investment idea of buying the shares of Apple, that the Apple is going to release Apple Watch 2. Apple Watch, which would be the next gadget, which would have new services like phone services, music services, and GPS, which would make it more popular even than Apple Watch, the first release. So, and the one news which is very, very important is that the Apple company decreased the price on Apple Watch by $50, and by decreasing only by $50, their demand for Apple Watch increased by 250% during the last month. So just imagine 250% during the last month due to the decrease in the price of Apple Watch. It's amazing. It's incredible, actually. So just imagine another decrease by $50, and it will be like 500 increase in demand on Apple Watch. It's incredible. So that's why this company is very popular, and that's why the shares of Apple company would go definitely up. So, due to this news, it's very good to buy the shares of Apple company right now. And first of all, as I said, the news related to the amount of Apple Watch. So the next one is that the Apple Watch 2 would be very popular, and due to the decrease of prices on Apple Watch, which had a great impact on the amount of Apple Watch sold during the last months. So, and these numbers, this amount of Apple Watch sold, 250% increase, would be marked in the next quarter report. So it would definitely beat the estimated and or forecasted numbers which are forecasted by their analysts around the world. So, and due to their beating of expectations, the price on shares of Apple company would go definitely up till 120, 135. These levels are very good for selling. So consider this level to buy and sell at this one. The next company which I would like to recommend you to add to your investment portfolio is Altra. Altra is a very stable company, the shares which I recommend you to buy. So currently the shares of Altra company are being sold at $63 per share. The perspective level of growth is 67, probably $71 per share. I would like to recommend you to sell it at 67. This company is very stable, and according to the last data provided in their quarter report, their growth of sales is equal to 6% on the tobacco products, and non-tobacco product sales increased by 5.3%. So as you see, their ways which the company has chosen in order to develop its sales are diversified. So it doesn't matter what you buy, the tobacco products or non-tobacco products. You would buy the products which are made by the Altra company, and you would put the money into the pockets of the owners of stocks of Altra company. So it's definitely the company which has the prospect future, and this company would benefit anyway, whether you are still smoking or not. You will still buy the products made by this company. And I forecast that and I consider that their income of this company would increase steadily from quarter to quarter, as the number of population around the world increasing always, and we will see that the number of people using their tobacco products, or after all the non-tobacco products, would increase as well. So this company we may consider as stable and for the future growth. Buying now, it means that you invest in the future for the long term. And this company is good in order to add to your investment portfolio, in order to make it more stable and less risky, as well as the Yahoo company. Apple is a bit volatile. The shares of Apple company are a bit volatile, but they are as well as profitable because they are volatile, and you may earn more. With these companies like Altra, Yahoo, General Electric, AT&T, you earn less, but these companies are very, very stable. The next company which I would like you to recommend to buy the shares of is General Electric. The current price at which the shares are traded is $30 per share. So the prospective growth of the shares of General Electric company is $37 per share. So this company has already earned something like 1.6 of income of billions during the last quarter, and is equal to 66% of increase of the income from selling the renewable energy products. As we know, this trend is very popular now, and the renewable energy products are very popular around the world, and the popularity would go up. So are the products of their General Electric, which this company produces. So we would definitely advise you to recommend buying the shares of General Electric and currently at this price in order to get benefits from the growth of the price of the shares of General Electric from this moment till the future 3-6 months. And the last company which we would like to recommend due to the positive news as well as the positive news related to Yahoo, Apple, Altria and General Electric is the AT&T company. And the positive news related to AT&T company is that this company is experiencing the growth of profits by 16%, which is equal to 6.8 billions of dollars, and the current price of AT&T shares is equal to $38.86 per share, and the prospective growth level of the shares of AT&T company is equal to $45.50 per share. So why we recommend you to keep this the shares of this company in your investment portfolio? Because of this news, the increase of the profits, as well as the prospective future. Why? Because their company developing its networks among the country. So the amount of subscribers to its services is equal to 600 millions, and the company is going to increase their amount of subscribers by 14 millions. So all of these subscribers pay the monthly rate each month, and this money which are paid by subscribers bring their financial stability to the company, and it may keep on developing itself by building new networks. It may invest and create new products like direct TV, like new voicing services where you can send voice messages to different people by using different devices. So this company is very popular. This company is very stable, and the services of this company are stable. They provide speed quick connect among the people, and we know that the information is very important in the world, and in order to succeed in making the business, you need to have a good connection, because the time which you spend on sending the information is very important. Actually, it's vital. So you need to use the best networks, the best services provided by the best companies, and this company is the best, actually the best telecommunication company. So that's why we recommend you to buy the shares of the best companies like AT&T, General Electric, Altria, Apple, and Yahoo. The investment horizon, the time which we would recommend you to keep these shares in your investment portfolio, is equal to from 3 to 6 months. And that's all for now. My name is Anton Novikov. Thank you for your time. See you. Bye.